Once upon a time, there lived a few pigeons with their king. They flew from one place to the other looking for food. One day, they flew for a very long time. The pigeons started getting tired. Suddenly, one of the pigeons saw rice grains spread out under a banyan tree. They were so happy and came down at once. The hungry pigeons started eating the grains happily. The poor pigeons were now caught. They flapped their wings and bit the net. Sadly, it was of no use. The king pigeon saw a hunter walking towards him. The hunter was very happy. He said, "Wow, I've caught so many pigeons today." On hearing this, the clever king pigeon came up with a plan. The king pigeon said to the other pigeons, "Don't worry, listen to me. We need to grab the net in our beaks, flap our wings and fly together. To get out of here, we will have to work as a team." The pigeons listened to the king. In a few seconds, they were all up in the air. The hunter could not believe his eyes when he saw the birds flying with his net.
Hey, stop!
He shouted and ran after them.
My net!
But in a few minutes, the pigeons had flown away. Now the king pigeon said to the others, "Great! We are free from the hunter. Next, we need to get out of this net. I have an idea. My friend Mouse lives on a hill nearby. Let's fly there. I'm sure he'll help us." Without wasting any time, they flew towards the hill. Hearing the loud noise of the pigeons, the mouse hid inside his hole. The king pigeon called out to the mouse and said, "Don't fear, little one. I'm your friend, the pigeon. We need your help today. Can you help us?" Hearing the king pigeon's voice, the mouse came out. He was surprised to see the pigeons caught in a net. The king pigeon asked the mouse to cut the net with his sharp teeth and set them free. As the net was big, the mouse could not cut it all alone. So, he called out for a few other mice. Bit by bit, the mice cut the net into pieces. The pigeons were now free and happy. So, remember, children, by working together, we can fight any problem. Air, caught, flapped. Friend, banyan tree. Clever, food. Great. Believe, eating. Free, hungry. King, minutes. Rice grain. Tired. Listen. Noise. Sharp. Together. Mice. Pieces. Surprised. Wings.